fast too, isn't it?
Welcome to Drift Matsuri. We've got all the campervans out. Chris, Till's van, Chris's van, and a red van. Join me inside Chris's campervan. Chris.
What's going on, people? Welcome to Rainy Day.
We've just come inside because it is absolutely
bank holiday in the UK.
yeah, classic bank holiday weather. Trying to make a coffee. It is the second day here in Anglesey.
Trac Môn.
And it's going to be a wet drift day, so we're going to get going in a minute. But I just wanted to do a quick intro because I haven't done one yet. There's going to be loads of footage of just cool cars, cool drifting, that kind of stuff, bit of camping, and I'll just run as a montage. So hope you enjoy it.
Built my interior around it, basically.
will help. No. No. Till this.
Till, what are you doing?
Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to Birmingham.
How much do I look like fucking wife? Do I look like I've been on my wife?
Do you mean to hold your water?
Yeah, thanks. Wow.
Oh, mate.
The only one I bought.
I can't put that on YouTube.
I'm gonna. I'm fucking gonna.
They're my shorts as well. I've got a lot to think about after this week.
Right. Get a bit. See you later, Chris. Good luck.
I'm not even gonna scream.
We have Stacy versus Yogi. Yogi. Yogi with a hand out the window, 4 points, a hand out the window. Considering that KC has got free time
Definitely doesn't have 18 left now.
Have been closer, and it just wasn't because Yogi.
Like,
you know, did I tell you that Yogi is actually?
Gotta give it to the guy in the E46.
Good.
Yeah, bad.
You know, he's doing.
You should go and try and commentate. I reckon I believe you should.
Instructor, and he just
I
showed
don't think I can comment on
No, you
that
could.
one. There would be like 30
You'll be
second
fine.
delay every time.
Yeah.
Man and not. That is incredibly impressive with a fucking die grinder, cordless. This is how you end up in A&E, isn't it? Oh, those sausages look good too.
Why did he put these in?
Because I was trying to keep them warm. That's what I'm running here.
This is insane. They're literally drifting over there. Somewhere there. Wicked. I love it. So good.